Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal and Apple Pay to Shopify store. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the bottom left hand corner and you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, you're going to tap on Payments from the left hand menu option. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you're going to see PayPal and they'll charge you a 2% transaction fee. You're going to tap on Activate PayPal. After you have tapped on Activate PayPal, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to need to set up your PayPal account. So you're going to tap on Activate and you're going to be redirected to PayPal. Once you're redirected to PayPal, you will need to log in. So you will enter your PayPal email address and you're going to tap on Next. Once you have done that, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can start creating one. But if you have one, all you'll need to do is sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to add your PayPal account. Once you have added your PayPal account, you're going to go back and you're going to tap on See All Other Providers. After tapping on See All Other Providers, from here, you can see Apple Pay is available if you were to connect ident payments, and you can see that it is also available with Air Wallets and Brain3 also. If you don't see any one of these options, all you'll need to do in line with the search bar at the top of the page, you're going to tap on the three dashes. After doing that, you can select Apple Pay. And then you'll see all of the payment providers that provides that option. So for example, if you were to select Brain3 for example's sake, all you would need to do is simply log into Brain3. And if you don't have a Brain3 account, all you'll need to do is simply create one. So you could go onto Brain3. Once you have done that, let's say we were to open it up right here. From here, all you need to do now is sign up. So you could go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on login. Then you'll select sign up. After you have done that, you can enter in your first, last name, company name, and where your business is located and email address. And from there, you'll be able to create an account. Once you have created your account, you'll be able to fill in your login information right here and password. And that's it. So now that you have connected Brain3 and you have also connected PayPal, you can now access or offer Apple Pay, and you can also offer PayPal to your customers. And you can see that you'll also be able to offer Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So you'll now have numerous payment options that you can offer. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.